Good morning and welcome to my airspace. I'm here at Lake Hemet, Easter Sunday 2020, in the middle of the COVID-19 Communist Chinese Party virus. How about that? Or Chinese Communist Party virus or whatever. Anyway, I drove up here even though I know it's closed, but it was pretty cool. They had signs up basically saying, you know, if you really have to be here, fine, but pack it, whatever you pack in, pack out. So that was a nice thing, which they're saying it's okay. And I'm the only one here. I got here at 7:30 in the morning. It was very foggy coming up here. But this hardly, I was up here 8 days ago and it was just a trickle, but it's been raining all week and this is pretty cool. The water coming out of the mountains. I love the sound of rushing water, flowing water. I'm so glad I made it, that I decided to come up here. This is just a perfect little spot right here with the water flowing into the lake. Pretty foggy coming up here. I'm not the greatest fan of, I love the fog. Driving in it though is kind of another story. It's so incredibly unpredictable, you know. And coming up a very narrow mountain road with lots of turns and twists. And dense fog on a road that I've only been up maybe twice before in my life, and one of those times I wasn't even driving. So anyway, a wonderful mystical morning, being on the ground, and I actually am barefoot, getting a little earthing in, although it is a bit cold. So Mother Nature is raising the level of the lake. Wonderful, lovely, beautiful spot here. Pine trees and manzanita and oak trees and birds singing. Yeah, it's a beautiful spot, and there's so many amazing rocks here. Oh my God, the rocks are just stunning all over the place. I see that looks like a piece of cactus right there. I guess I really need to be watching myself walking. Anyway, pardon my gravelly voice. I had a bit of dairy yesterday, and every time I do that, it does that. One of these days I'm going to learn. Probably not. Okay, thank you for subscribing to my channel as I'm out here on my adventures in life and poking around in nature, getting as close to it as I possibly can, becoming one with the earth, recharging my batteries. Yes, that's true. We are all electrical systems. As humans, as animals, the earth is an electrical grid. The best thing in the world you can do for your health is to walk on the earth barefooted, or just stand on it, or lie on it, better yet. Okay, so make it a wonderful day. Subscribe to my channel, share this on Facebook or Twitter or whatever you do your social sharing. And by the time you watch this, the Chinese Communist Party virus will hopefully be over with, unless they give us another one. Anyway, yeah, okay. Go out there and give somebody a hug. Tell someone I love you. I love you.